Hi, I'm Ted, and over the next few minutes, I'll be walking you through the basic setup process of Re, as well as some of its key features. Re gives you all the power of a universal remote in the palm of your hand. It's easy to set up, a snap to customize, and simple to use. Plus, Re's hardware is so small and highly portable that it's easy to take it with you as you move between room to room, or even between your home or office. With Re, you can have your entire home entertainment center programmed within minutes. Let's get started.
With the Re unit attached to your iPhone or iPod Touch, launch the Re app from your home screen. The first screen you'll see after launch is the Rooms screen. This is where you can create a profile for each room in your home that has devices you'd like to control. Let's start by adding a room. Tap the Edit button, then the plus button to add a new room. We'll call this room the Den. Tap Done when you've finished typing in the room name. Tap Done again when you're back on the room screen and you've created your room. Now that we have a room to put things in, let's set up a device. Tap the blue arrow next to Den to bring up the list of options for that room. Here, you'll see Devices, Activities, and Favorites. Let's add some devices, starting with the TV. Adding a new device starts the same as adding a room. Tap the Edit button, then the plus button. Start by selecting the manufacturer of your device. You can use the wheel to flip through brands, or you can use the slider at the bottom to quickly skip forward in the alphabet. Once you've selected your brand, tap Next. At this screen, we can select what kind of device we want to set up a remote for. We'll select TV and tap Next.
Re features an extensive pre-programmed database of remote controls already in its system. All you have to do is find the right one for your device, and Re can automatically set up all of your remote's buttons in an instant. That means no more learning your remotes button by button.
This screen is where the magic happens. If you know the proper code for your remote, you can select it from the list and tap Next. If you don't know your code, you can manually select a code and use the test buttons at the top to see if it matches your device, or you can tap the Start Search button to automatically cycle through each code using the test button you have selected above. Since there are often multiple codes that will work for the same device, you can tap Test Remote and bring up the full set of buttons for a remote code to test with your device to ensure you've got the right one selected. Once you're finished, tap Next to move forward and give a name to your device. Tap Done and you're finished. Your first device is set up. Remember, if you make a mistake or need to make a change to one of your selections, you can tap the back button at any point during the setup process. To select your newly created device, make sure it has a check mark next to it while in the Devices section for your active room, then tap the Devices tab to bring up the remote.
And that's it. You're ready to start using your iPhone or iPod Touch as a remote control. Of course, the real power of Re comes from being able to set up multiple remote control profiles, creating activities which let you access functions from multiple devices at once, and setting up macros, which will let you simplify tasks like turning the power on for multiple devices and switching some inputs, all with a single button push. For information on how to use some of these advanced features, please see the rest of our videos.